Today, I will catch a big tuna for our village.
Oh wow! This one is big! Look at the size of it! I can't believe I caught something so huge! This will feed the whole village! Let's take it home.
That fish is enormous. Let's cook something special today. We must clean it carefully. Look, it's sparkling clean.
Wonderful work, my dear. This will make delicious food.
It will. The flavor will be amazing. Now the cooking begins.
Sizzle! Listen to that.
Oh, smells good, huh? Sizzle? Ha! Listen to that. It's almost ready.
That smells incredible.
Let's share it with everyone.
Friends are coming.
Friends are coming. Ah, this tastes amazing.
This is the best dinner.
The river provides when we respect it.
Nature is our home. Teamwork makes everything easier. No food should be wasted.
What a wonderful day!
Sharing brings happiness. Peaceful nights by the river. Thank you for joining us. Sharing food brings a village together.
Indeed, it does.